How to use WhatsApp Web on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in web.whatsapp.com. After that, tap on WhatsApp Web. You will then be taken to the WhatsApp Web homepage. As you can see, this is the mobile version of the website, which prompts you to use a computer. To access the desktop version, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the three dots icon as shown to open the page menu. From the page actions, tap on Request Desktop Website. The page will automatically reload, presenting the full desktop version of the site with all its features. Following these steps, you can easily use WhatsApp Web on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.